Good. Move in. Okay. Okay. Go back. Hit 3 shots. Turn. Better. Better. Much better, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Excellent. Turn. Turn. Good. Turn. Great. That's it. Turn. Okay, good. Keep working on it. You'll get the feel. Looks a lot better. Good. Oh, almost. Okay. Good. Move in. Great. That's it. Without stopping, hit the ball. That's it. Go right through. Good. Go right through. Oh, good try. Okay? These 3, walk right through. No stopping, okay?
Okay.
Go. Good. Wow, nice. There you go. All 3 walk right through. Good. Got it. Nice. Looking good. Walk through. Walk through. Good. Walk through. Much better. Okay. Turn. Turn. Good. Very nice. Yeah. That's it. Good. 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 Move in. Good. Great. Oh, yeah. Move in. Move in. Great. Go again. All right. Coming along nicely. Turn. Walk right through. Walk right through. Walk right through. Great. Good. Keep going. Very nice. Go. Go. Good. Go. Okay. Good. That's it. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Go. That's it. Good. Okay. Make sure that rocket's going out to the right, right? Going out in this direction, right? Go. Through. Go off. Right through. Good. Walk through. Good. Walk through. Nope. There you go. There you go. Your first move, you want to point this rocket to the right, right? Go. Go. Move, 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 move. Oh. Okay. 3 more. Walk through. Go back. Point that rocket to the right, right away. Go. Good. Walk through. Walk through. Good. Again. Okay. 3 more. Turn. Good. Walk through. 1 more. Okay. Let's pick up.